To create a new page, go to Pages on the left nav and select Add New. This will bring up a new page where you can add a title. Let's call one thing you do want to do is make sure your title is unique from any of the other pages you have on your site. So we're going to call this Unique Page. And once you do that, you can click in this area here and start typing. This automatically will create a new page. You see this permalink that just showed up? This will be the new page's address. You can change it and edit it if you like, but usually if it's a unique page, it will have a unique web address. Then you could say, here's my new page text. When you're done, you can either click publish or you can click save as draft. If you're going to be working on it some more, click save as draft. That way it won't be visible until you're ready to publish, at which time you click publish.